Yeah, good day everyone. Today I'm super excited because there is this secret method I want to show you how to get 1000 followers on your TikTok account. 1000 followers on your TikTok account. I want to show you a secret method that you can use to achieve that. I want you to pay attention, watch the video to the end so that you don't make mistake. But before I continue, I want you to subscribe to this channel, put on the notification bell so that we can give you more tips on how things are done. Now, what's the first thing we are going to do? Let me head up to my TikTok account and copy my profile URL, my profile link on my TikTok account. So I'm heading up to my profile. You can see my profile. I have 703 followers. That is what I have. So, and I'm following only 4. I'm following only 4. So now how I did it, I'm going to show us how I did it. So I'm going to click on the share button at the top right. So I'm going to click on it. So once I click on it, it should give me, to bring me here. So when I'm here, I'm going to click copy link. So I'm going to head back here. Please pay attention. The secret method is very, very important. So now I'm going to, once that link is copied, we have noted 703. So we are going to see how to increase that in less than few minutes. Okay, now there is this platform, they call it like for like. So we are going to use this platform to increase. You can virtually increase anything. You can get your 1000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. You can get 1000 likes on your YouTube channel. You can virtually get anything, Facebook and all that. So but we are focusing on TikTok. So let me just log into this system. So before I continue, I am going to add my profile. So you just click on the top right, you click on the menu top, then you click add and manage pages. So now I am here. I'm going to head straight to TikTok followers. Click on it. Do I have any active page on this TikTok? No. So I am going to add my TikTok profile link. Alright, credit per followers. So the credit per followers means that an organic person will like your page, and the 5 credit means you are giving the person 5 credit for liking your page, because we are still going to do that to that person. Okay, so that's just it. Let me put my then I have. Alright, now the next thing we do is to get some credit for ourselves, free credit. So how do we do that? Let me start with YouTube. To get credit, let me start with YouTube like. Okay, YouTube like, I have YouTube like 2 credits. Okay, you click on it, brings you to a page. So we are going to get credits. So once it has loaded properly, then you click on like, then you go back, say confirm credit. Okay, so let's click on the next one. Just like, we are working on likes. Then we'll go back, then confirm credit. So you can see the credit have changed to 7. So let's take 3. The main focus of the credit is immediately we have the credit, we use it as an exchange for traffic. So we are giving out 5 credit to an organic like. So if someone likes our page and follow the TikTok, they are going to have 5 credits. So that's why we are hustling for the credit for an exchange. Me as a person, I'm giving 5 credit to anyone who is going to follow my TikTok. So that is why credit is being hustled for. So now that we have got about 30, let's see if there's any changes on the TikTok. Now there is changes. We have over 5 followers. So you can do the same, you can do more. But before you opt out from this video, I want you to please do me a favor, follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can give you more information on how to successfully do your hustle for free. And I'm sure that you have enjoyed this video.